At another function held today, the Meghalaya Health Minister Shri Alexander L. Hegg, in the presence of the C&RD Minister Shri DOHLING, had inaugurated the LYNGKIEN Sub-Centre, which is under POMLUM PHC. At the inaugural function, A.L. Hicks said that the sub-centre at LYNGKIEN that would cater to the needs of the people of 7 villages in and around the area should be utilised accordingly and not become a reason for people to point out or find fault with. He also stated that depending on its performance, the sub-centre should be upgraded into Health and Wellness Centre in the future.
Sa katuha ni Paul, ginyo upgrade, ginyo pleno, iya gani LYNGKIEN Sub-Center. Kini LYNGKIEN Sub-Center gani jaka ban ay dawai. Nampuak batanganin katuha ni si dan lapli gani jaka ay dawai, kalong badi jaka ay daw. Nampuak ban long jaka ay daw. Lalu. Hari katuha dia dalam long jaka ay daw, segi Shillong gitau, segi seng malang, kesalong jaka wat daw. Ay bagani jaka gamdi belong jaka ay daw, baga jaka wat daw. Dai jaka ay dawai. Manila pansay bhai local MLA jong pi bagani gadi jaka ban ai gadi sumar buon bahagi program jong health department buon ba kibani ban ai gadi sumar gadi jong pi kum ki immunization ki vaccination ki wegi gadi sumar kamtam lele jong ki ara ki Longkmie ba Armet mo la batai ru mende spang gadi klat no jing buon gadi klat ki tulung bakha hapo gadi ga jaka ba state Meghalaya hi jungi beragwe gadaw galong ba mangikum galong yang longsem ngamong tang Longkmie Mani paro mo da perkat ba tenteng ni igi ki Longkmie ba Armet ringi lading perkat so ngi Pyntrei Shitom ki iklat no ai ga shisha wal kire fi ngati shisha mo i long paro li bandot ki clear yala ka jong ing ngesen subsidar ka jugi ka long subsidar Pyntrei kam ni ka subsidar banai daw bangaju i ka bala ong ba 24/7 bagade ki traishno nang ni chukidar ENM di traishno nang ni but hagwi ka po na rekaman upgrade ro siya health and wellness center gidle kata tamba depend on performance kumno ka perform jobi galon.
Those who attended the function were District Medical and Health Officer Dr. M. Basayaumoy, the BDO of Malim Block Peter Pasa, the in charge of POMLUM PHC Dr. D. P. Same, the Secretary of Malim LYNGKIEN Village Distor Kharkongor, besides members of the Dorbar Shnongs and residents of the area.